Ay, meron mo sa akin. Mayabang ka. King! I love you.
Load natin sa YouTube.
Okay. Ay, basta mga ayaw mag-react. Ito, hindi react. Tomboy. I love you. Okay, papa na. Ikaw na ba?
Nalaman mo sa akin na
Ay,
gabing walang hangganan. Hindi mahanap sa lupa ang pag-asa.
Nakataka po ng mga nagtatapang mga ano.
Nakikiusap lang, himala, kasalanan pa. Humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala, kasalanan pa. Humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala. Pangarap ko makita ang liwanag ng umaga. Naglalambing sa iyong mga mata.
Ay, natanggal.
Tanggal, napindot.
Apat na daw ang kakantahin niya. Kaya, kinakalit ka tayo. Haba na po po.
Di mahagilap sa lupa
Sa kabila, sa kabila.
pag-asa. Nakikiusap sa buwan, himala, kasalanan pang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala, kasalanan pang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala. Hindi mahanap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Nakikiusap na lang, himala, kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala, isang himala, isang himala, kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala, kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala.
Yaya, tulog na daw siya.
Rewrite the stars.
Ano na?
Rewrite the stars. Rewrite the stars.
Ano?
Rewrite.
Rewrite.
Got it.
ay,
Here's some videos.
isa ba? Ay,
Ito. Rewrite.
The stars.
ay, lahat ng mga...
Lahat ng pamangkin niya, mahal niya. Sige.
Mayabang.
Tinapos.
Hindi. Hindi, talaga. Jing!
Mahal ka niyan.
Hello.
Lahat mahal. Kasi
Good game.
matutulog na siya. Doon mo itapat kay mamay ko. Ah! Tulog. Tulog.
Patulog mo na.
Barako.
Eh siya, patulogin mo yan. Suntukin mo yan.
I love you.
Sige. Mahal ang lahat ng pamangkin. Pantay-pantay. Ba, mainit ang mainit mo.
So don't keep saying your hand is tied. The pain's gone in the cards and fate is
Pero
going
kayo.
away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so you can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny.
Tutulog na siya.
Hindi, mamaya, mamaya.
What we stars, see you were made
Ay, wag na.
to be mine.
Mamaya, sige, pupunta
Nothing
dyan.
could keep us apart. You be the one I was meant to
Sige, dyan ka
find.
lang.
It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we the stars? Maybe the world could be yours tonight. You think it's easy to think I don't wanna to you. There are mountains
Tanggal ko kayo.
and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But we could all decide you're gonna wear what you say is that even was less after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keep us apart. Me and the one you were meant to find. And it's up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us we can be, and how can we rewrite the stars? If the word can be yours. All I want is to all I want is to love with you. So just give me all of you. It's feelings possible. Is it impossible? Say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars? See you were made to be mine. Nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's not up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Changing the world to be ours. You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to
Kulang pa ba
hide,
tayo?
but I can have you.
Gusto daw niya na rin chok
You want to break in my hands on inside.
Si ano naman, si ano. Mahal ko o mahal ako, karaoke.
Alright, here's some videos.
Love ko yan.
Huwag kang mag-iya, be. Ano si Tito Jim sa'yo? Sige na. O, si Leonie.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Bibili
Yeah.
ka gusto mo.
Ayan siya. Sa lahat na pamangkin ko, pinakaalam ko yan eh.
Cover speed.
Nanay! Nay! Sinapak niya daw si Tito para matulog na. Tulog na? Pabilis na ako.
Pag ano, meron tayong magturo.
Oo, dapat na. Search yung Shopee 9.
Pagkakalasing yan. Sasay na ako. Natulog na.
Kaya matulog ka.
Sa muna yan ah. Nakakabasa ka na eh.
Ang aking anak na pala nakanta na.
kasi siya ni Mama kahit nasa kasi nga kay Shara kay Shara. Eh tayo minsan ba? Tita Jim, ano nga yun? Tita Jim, nasan yung control? Ayaw mo siya sa buo. Ano nga ba yun? Oo, nag-away na. Kiss me, Sarah Geronimo.
Yung white.
Okay. Wow, siguro kami.
Sure, here are some videos.
Kaya daw ni Mosh. Ala, inaaway ka Mosh. Inaaway ka Mosh. Intukan kayo. Hindi, kaya yan. Kasama naman. Gusto mo ba, pag gin binugbog, gusto mo mga dalawa ka. Hindi ko lang kung saan sa
Cover speech.
Mali pa yung channel.
Bakit channel ko yun eh?
When
I feel so sad and lonely when my light seems pale and true.
you're here beside me, here to stay my whole life through.
You're the only one within me who can make my dreams come true. Come, my darling, embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me really tight. Kiss me, hold me, darling, with all your might.
may bago galing.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you're here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come on, darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. I kiss me in the morning. I kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me really tight. Kiss me, darling, with all your might. I kiss me in the morning. I kiss me in the night. I kiss me in the daytime. I kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me really tight. Kiss me, darling, with all your
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. Subscribe. Covers PH.
Oh.
Hindi ko makahinga.
Hindi siya makahinga.
Huminga ka kasi.
Kasi upo na siya. May upo kasi siya.
Vicks Vapo Drops Lozenges. Its mentholated Vicks vapors help to relieve sore throat and cough.
Delete yung manok. Wala naman kasi hindi makapasugin kami.
Nakantay mo yung asar ng
Mas baby lang.
Ano ba yung isa?
Ano doon, yung baliwa.